What's up, good people? 2021, here we are. Hey, we are going to talk about 4 hot stock to look out for this week. First of all, for those of you that are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now because we're going to make a lot of money in 2021. That's number one. Number two, if you see any correspondent that says that they're stock up with Larry Jones, if they talk about a WhatsApp, give a phone number, or talk about a broker, it's not me. It's scam. So please do not give your information. The easiest way to find out is mine should be highlighted in gray. But the second way is just click on to the icon, and if they have 5 followers, you know it's not me. I have over 108,000 followers, so you know it's scam, all right, or spam. All right, let's get right into the business. So let's first talk about our baby BEEM. BEEM Global, ticker symbol BEEM. So this week, I'm going to tell you guys right now what I think is going to happen with BEEM. I told you last week to take profits, and it is at an all-time high. I bought this stock at $17. And as you can see, I'm up well over 200%. And then I dollar cost average up to like $22. So I'm well. So I sold half last week, but Monday morning, I'm selling my other positions. Now, remember, I'm not your financial broker. Before you make any financial decisions, you should first do your own research and check with your financial broker, to which I am not. But I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm selling it all because I believe it may run Monday, it may run Tuesday, but I'm going to sell Monday morning because it's enough profit in there for me. I believe that there's going to be a sell-off. It's going to drop back down. Don't ask me by how much. No one knows that. No one's that good. And so I don't know. But I believe it's going to have a pullback, maybe 10, 15, 20% even it could, because it's too much of a run too soon, right? But having said that, I believe that this stock is going to be well over $100 in the future. So I'm going to take my profits and run and wait for the dip, and then I'll buy back in for the long haul, maybe. Remember, with stocks, the gameplay it's like football. Every time you change your plans, they change their plans, and you have to change your plans again according to them changing their plans, if you understand. So nothing is set in the stone. So remember, I'm telling you guys right now with BEEM, what I'm doing. Now, if you want to go the ride, do your own research. You do what suits you best. I'm doing what suits me best. All right, let's talk about a second stock. And it's a Bitcoin play. I talked about this a while back. I am not the Bitcoin person, right? I am not the one to come to for Bitcoin, but I did invest in MARA, which is Mara, and Marathon, MARA, and I did invest. They're a Bitcoin mining company. I invested in them. And I told you guys before, it was a game of patience. I got them at 4 months ago, like 5 months ago. I got it at 450. It ran up. Then it dropped all the way back down to $1. I could have panic sold, locked in my losses, but I didn't because I knew it was coming back. I had a good feeling. No one knows for sure. But rest assured, it came back, and then I sold it at 650. Now it's got a new floor. It's got a new floor, and it's got a new ceiling. So I believe that between Monday and Tuesday, it will run up. So what I did at closing bell, the last market, I bought some at like 1050, somewhere around there, or 1045. And I bought there. So for those of you that's been following my double my money, I'm not rolling with that anymore. Because things are changing. I've made enough profit for those of you that have been rolling with double my money. For those of you that's been rolling with me, I've made enough money in there. I didn't double it, but I've made some great gains. So I'm going to sell my PLG, and I'm going to do a quick Mara run. And so I believe Bitcoin is going higher. I believe Mara is going to go higher, but I will tell you guys that are trading Bitcoin, it is a dangerous move because Bitcoin can trade sideways for years, as you've seen. I always suggest, me personally, I would limit my Bitcoin to 10% of my portfolio. So if you guys go crazy and put all your money into Bitcoin, God bless you. I'm warning you against that. Don't do it. It's not a good move. It's not a good look on you. It's not sexy. It's no sexy. All right. So that's what I'm doing. I know a lot of you guys going to ask about my VGAC. I'm going to hold my positions in there. I might sell the warrants, and I'll let you guys know if I'm going to sell the warrants, but I may sell the warrants of that. And I think I am going to sell half my warrants in VGAC, but the VGAC stock I'm going to keep. I believe it's room for a little bump there. All right. Let's go to, so we covered BEEM and we covered Myra. Let's go to the third hot stock to watch this week. The third hot stock is FIII. All right. Forum Merger 3. All right. Forum Merger 3. And it is an EV manufacturer, also known as Electric Last Mile Solutions, right? I am going to be a little bullish on this. And here's why. You've seen the commercials of Amazon saying that they're going electric. They show you the guy standing beside a truck. What I find out is they're buying some of these vehicles from Electric Last Mile Solutions, which is merging with FIII, which is a good look. It's real sexy. And I like that. I don't think that it's widely known because the company has no chart, is new. It's a new merger. It's a SPAC, and it's a new merger. And that's coming, a new SPAC, and there's no data, real data on it. There's no, charts on it because it's new. And so I'm going to purchase some of this. So what I may do is I'm going to sell my PGL, and I'm going to sell half of my VGAC warrants, and I'm going to move it over into FIII. And I did buy some a little while ago, so I'm already up on it a little bit. It was so unknown, I didn't know exactly, so I did buy some. So I didn't talk about stuff that I didn't know about. I couldn't talk to you guys about, and it was too risky. And I don't want you guys doing high risk. So remember, MARA is high risk. So I'm just letting you guys know what Larry is doing. So we covered BEEM, MARA, FIII, which is Forum Merger 3. So I'm probably the most bullish on Forum Merger 3 because I believe once things get out, it's going to explode. I think that Amazon is going to be growing. I think it's only going to get bigger. E-commerce is only going to get bigger while we go into lockdown and after we get out of lockdown. It's just that's an emerging market. And so I'm in it. I'll be in it for the long run. I'm just going to buy as much as I can, as low a price as I can. So I'm not going to buy everything at once. I'm going to see if there's some dips, and I'm going to dollar cost average in, right? Dollar cost average down, and I'm going to continue to buy the dips. So let's go to my fourth stock to look out for this week, and it is NEO. For those of you that know NEO, that have a lot of us have a lot of NEO. It is, I don't have a lot of NEO. I don't have any NEO. I sold all, I'm sorry, I do. In one of my portfolios, I do have a very small position in NEO. And it's kind of the whole delisting thing freaked me out a little bit, and then I bought some of the dip. So with NEO, Battery Day, or NEO Day, I'm sorry, it's coming this coming Saturday. This coming Saturday will be NEO Day, right? And there's been a lot of hype around it. It's a big thing in China, and it may run up and run past NEO Day. It might have a bump afterwards, or it might run up to NEO Day and it might dip down, or they could have NEO Day and it drop down. Either way it goes, I'm not going for the ride. I'm not doing the rodeo show. I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, wrote the book. So yes, for those of you that know me, buy the rumor, sell the news. For those of you that don't know what that is I'm going to get a small position in Neo Monday, buy more. And then instead of waiting for the day of, I'll probably sell by Wednesday and get that little pop. Wherever it runs up to, that's what I'm going to sell. This is not investing. This is going to be a swing trade for me. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Just Google what that means. We're not going to go into that. But that's the play I'm doing with Neo right now. Having said that, for those of you that have Neo and you've been long on it, continue to hold. Neo's going to be worth a lot of money in the future. But I'm going to wait until after Neo Day, and if it runs, then that's good, because I still think there's a dip coming before Q2 of next year. And if it dips, then I'll think about buying the dips. But for right now, I'm going to buy the rumor, sell the news, make that short-term pop, and get out. So let's do a recap. BEEM. I am going to sell the other half of my positions, take my money and run. And it may continue to run, but that's between you and your study. But I took half at 200%. Now I'm over 200%. Now I'm going to sell the other half and get back in. MARA. I'm going to buy some Mara, which is Bitcoin. You could trade it on your regular, you can trade it on Fidelity and TD Ameritrade. Look for it, MARA. I'm going to buy some because it did a little dip, and I'm going to run it up. Where? I don't know. For those of you that's asking me where to sell it at, I don't know. You have to do your own research on that. Bitcoin may go through a bull run. I believe 2021, Bitcoin is going to run. But you have to be careful with these Bitcoin plays. It will spike up and fall like a rock. Trailing stop loss is what you need to do on the Myra play. All right. And then Forum Merger 3, I'm bullish on it. So I'm going to put in their manufacturing vehicles for Amazon, the little delivery trucks. And then Neo, we're just going to buy the rumor, sell the news. OK. Hey guys, I want you to watch the video that's going to appear in this box after the video. And it is called $5 cup of coffee, or sorry, $1 million cup of coffee. It is life changing. And I'm going to do a follow up because the percentage I use, I can change that to 25, 20, 15. The end is still going to be the same. With just the cost of a cup of coffee, you could change your life. All right. As always, people, this is new year, new opportunities. I've rebranded the page. I got a sexy outro. Y'all check this out. All right. And we'll see you later. Make sure you watch this video. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Peace.